If you've ever wished you could share a whole collection of Telegram chats with one simple link, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a folders link in your Telegram channel. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to generate a single, easy link that lets others join all the chats in your folder at once. It's quick, handy, and perfect for organizing groups, teams, or even study buddies. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is find the folder you want to share. On Telegram, folders are basically a way to organize your chats, like giving specific chats their own labeled tab. Maybe you use one folder for family groups, another for work, or perhaps you want to bundle all your hobby channels together. Whatever your setup, locate that folder in your Telegram's sidebar or menu. Now, once you've found the exact folder you want to share, you'll want to right-click on it. If you're on a computer using the Telegram desktop app, just hover your mouse over the folder's name and give it a right click. If you're on mobile, tap and hold. This right-click action brings up a shortcut menu, kind of like opening the toolbox for that folder. From that menu, choose Edit Folder. This option is usually near the top or middle of the list. Clicking Edit Folder lets you see all the settings and chats that belong to this folder. Think of it as peeking behind the curtain to make changes or check what's inside. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Folder window. Take your time, it's easy to miss things if you rush. Near the bottom, you'll find an option called Share Folder. This is the golden key. This feature lets you share the entire folder with others, not just a single chat or channel. It's ideal if you're collaborating with a group and you want everyone to have quick access to all the relevant channels, much faster than sending a dozen individual links. Go ahead and click on Share Folder. Telegram will now ask if you want to create an invite link. Pause here for a moment, this is important. Creating an invite link means you're giving people access to all the chats or channels bundled in that folder. If there's something private you don't want to include, double-check your folder contents before you continue. Once you're ready, click Create an Invite Link. Telegram will generate a unique web link. Think of this like a magic portal. Anyone with the link can join all those chats in one go. It only takes a few seconds for the link to be created, so don't worry if there's a short pause. With the link created, your next step is to copy it. Just click the Copy Link button. Telegram will copy it straight to your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need. Now simply share this link with whoever you want to invite. You can send it in another Telegram chat, post it in an announcement channel, or even share it outside Telegram, maybe in an email or a class group. The people who get the link will be able to join your shared folder and instantly see everything inside, super efficient and really tidy. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create and share a folders link in Telegram, streamlining the way you invite people and organize conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button. And if you have any questions or run into troubles, just drop your question down in the comments. I do read them and I'm happy to help. And of course, subscribe for more easy, useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.